Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to monetize your Instagram account. What you need to do at first is transform your account, whether it be personal or public or like business. You need to set it up to a creator account first, and the way to do that is head over to your profile like so. Tap on these three dots or lines at the top right, and then you will go to scroll below and you see this option called creator tools and controls. Click on this one and then scroll down and you want to click on switch account type, and then you want to click on switch to business account. And then once you switch it to a business account, the creator option should be automatically turned on for you, and you want to click on switch account type into switch to creator type. And from there you can do like branded promotion or set up your own products. Also you can live stream and